Now that we've gone through the Panama Canal on board SV Quantum, we are getting a ride back via taxi, and Kevin is taking a ride with us just to make sure we get back safely, because we're going back to Dances with Dragons, where we have to break the news to Wayne that everything went really well through the canal, and we are going to be joining Quantum.
Since Kevin and Gail's friends Mike and Jenny are staying on board for a couple weeks, we won't be able to join them right away. So we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do in Linton Bay for the next couple weeks until we can join Quantum.
Posible aquí, here.
Oh, the little one.
Ellos saben, sí, your house. Sí, your house.
So we just got back from the canal, and there's one last big job Wayne really needs our help with, and that's painting the bottom of the boat. So we get our friends from Take Two, and over the couple days we get the whole bottom of the boat painted, and it looks a little funny because it's black and green. But yeah, it's all done and it looks good.
Since the Pacific crossing is going to be a lot of work, we asked our friends Ken and Cindy on Jubilee if it would be okay if we stay there for a week in between so we get a little bit of R&R.
So tomorrow's going to be our last day on Dances with Dragons. We must have been good, boys and girls, because it looks like Dale's making pancakes.
I am. It's really thin batter today.
What?
It's really thin batter.
That's okay, it still looks delicious.
Justin's toe is finally healed a little bit, so we both got to go spearing today, and we got lobsters! So we made lobster pasta. And we're so excited. And we're having celebratory wine in our fancy glasses.
It's gonna be amazing.
Cheers!
Mmm.
Oh, and we got ice today, so it's actually kind of chilly.
Excuse us while we enjoy our meal.
Hey Justin, what you doing?
Eating Oreos and drinking wine and watching a movie.
Life on the hard is hard, isn't it?
It is hard. That's why I have to watch the movie with lots of wine.
We get free power, so we can plug into the TV.
Mm-hmm.
Just like being at home.
Moving day.
Moving day. Just working on some video on our monstrously sized bed on Jubilee, because we're here having a sleepover for a few nights until we get on our next boat. It's so cozy. It's like being in a hotel room. This boat is so nice. So we're staying on Jubilee for a couple of nights, which is super exciting. So while we're gonna stay here, we are tasked with cleaning the bottom of the dinghies. So let's hop in and see how dirty they are.
Go, go. Jubilee's dinghies stay in the water almost all the time, and without having anti-fouling paint on them, they have quite a bit of growth, and it's real hard to scrape off without worrying about popping the boat. Are you okay? While we're staying on Jubilee, we try and do a little bit of work every day to help them out, and thanks for letting us stay on the boat. And today we're going to give the hull a quick clean and touch up where it's already growing back from last time we cleaned it.
Alright, so to make a little bit of money before we go across the Pacific, because we're going to need a lot of provisions, we have been seeked out by other boaters for our underwater skills. So today we are going to go change an anode.
Anode on one shaft.
And give a quote for how much we would charge to clean the bottom of a catamaran.
Yeah, money.
Yoo-hoo! So this is dry season in Panama. It still hasn't stopped raining. It's a rainy day, so what better to do than work on our next video?
Work
Whoop,
on videos,
whoop, whoop.
drink coffee and work on videos. Yeah.
Heroes, heroes, heroes.
So when we left Dances with Dragons, we didn't really have to pack our stuff too well because we were just going down the dock to Jubilee. But now that we're gonna hop in a cab and go all the way to Cologne to get on Barry's boat, we've got to pack really well to get it to fit.
And we have a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Alright, so I've sorted all of our clothes into piles, and now we just need to pack our dive gear and then tuck all the clothes in between all the diving gear. Sounds easy, right? Okay, so I'm in the middle of packing and we can't find the GoPro 5. Nope, I'm not recording with it right now. We can't find it. I'm currently using the Hero 4. Eee! Cheers! We've been saving these Oktoberfest special edition Balboas for a very long time now.
Since we first thought we were leaving Panama.
And today should be our last day at the Linton Bay Marina.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
But we've been saying that since October.
Yes.
Finally leaving.
Hopefully we're leaving. Last day, last day.
Yeah. Cheers again, everyone. I know it's been fun.
So we aren't quite sure exactly what footage we lost when the GoPro 5 walked away. So in case you don't already know, we are staying on a boat called Jubilee for the week.
Yeah, it's been great.
It's a really nice boat.
Really nice boat. 100 foot, or 99 feet, Turkish goulette.
It's really nice.
Really amazing. Hotel on the water with sails.
I have spent so long condensing everything we own to try and have less bags, but I just can't. We have so much stuff. But since leaving on our initial vacation, work, whatever it is, this is the only additional bag that we have added to our stuff, so I guess that's not so bad.
It's pretty good for 7-8 months.
And there's still a red duffel outside.
So the other day we put our GoPro down while we went dinghy riding around the bay, and we came back and we didn't notice that it was gone, and then the next morning we were looking for it, and the next day we were looking and looking and looking for it, and turns out walked off in someone's pocket, so it's a huge bummer. We're down a camera and we've looked everywhere.
Before we lost the GoPro, we had found some really exciting news that we are staying on Jubilee for the moment, and then tomorrow we are crossing the canal with a guy named Barry so that we can get to the Pacific side, where then we will be joining up with the 51 Beneteau, with Kevin, the Australian New Zealander, and we will be sailing across the Pacific. But now we're down the GoPro, and I'm eating my hair.
almost fell the bags. Finally got all our stuff put together, so we're gonna go get some wheelbarrows.
To carry our stuff. Finally made it to the wheelbarrows. So today's the big day. We're finally leaving Linton Bay Marina. Our ride is coming in about 10 minutes or so. We're gonna load up all our stuff, go meet up with Barry, cross the canal.
Big day.
And then stay on the Pacific side. How are you gonna do it? The blue one? Backpack style? Hey!
What?
You don't like your poofy?
Okay, thank you.
I will come there.
Okay.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, we're actually leaving.
But it's back.
Finally.
Get that for me.
Can I grab it? What are you doing?
Here. Set the camera up here.
Ah, I see.
Okay.
Take care, guys.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been awesome.
Welcome. Have fun.
Thanks.
We'll be watching your videos.
I hope so.
Good luck.
For sure.
Oh yeah.
We're leaving.
Thank you for watching. You are all so amazing for supporting us in making these videos and continuing the adventure. You can become a patron to help out even more at patreon.com/djsdives.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
We have a new video every Sunday morning. See you next week.